3 into 1 does go in turn 2. Dwarf again looking to go around the outside. It's good drive around there, you know. And then he cuts back to the inside. Brave if he's going to go through there. Well, he was brave. Forces Thibaut Benistant to go wide. And Dwarf now up in a second. Can he break free as Hirt triples in? Don't know why Benistant is not tripling uphill there. Looked like he just got the drive there, Jago Hirt, but Benistant, oh, it closes the door as they crest that city wall jump. Hirt's bouncing his way through those waves. Don't get the first rhythm right, can cost you time.